Hey folks, JD here, and today I'm using my new Osmo 2 to make this video, so I want to see exactly if this is any better. This week we have got loads of stuff coming for you, so we've had some beautiful weather. I have taken the quadcopters out and the cars out and actually done a lot of videos for the next few weeks. So today we're going to start off, or this week rather, we're going to start off with all of this. Now, yes, finally I've been able to take up a lot of planes, I've been able to take out a lot of cars, I've been able to do a lot of smaller flights that I've been wanting to do for a while, just simply because I've had the time and I've also had the weather, and that's the important thing, is getting the weather behind you. So I hope you all enjoy this week, folks. Thanks ever so much for tuning in. I hope you all have a great week as well. So until next time, my friends, you look after yourselves. I'll see you very, very soon, and happy flying.